Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everybody's been good and safe. For today's video, we're actually just going to be doing a screen change. The reason why I'm doing a video on a screen change is because this is going to be the first time I'm ever working on this model of computer. This model of a computer is HP x360 15t-aq200, which comes with a touchscreen panel of glass, and this one is super cracked, so I wanted to change this out. The thing is, I've never done this one before, so I'm going to take you through the process of trying to do this for the first time. I've already ordered the screen here, and all I did was use the model of the computer on the back to kind of try to buy one of these, and I ordered the whole screen assembly. Because I could not find anybody selling me just the digitizer. In case you didn't know, the digitizer is what allows you to touch with your fingers, and it's pretty much the touch screen. And the digitizer is the front part, as you can see here. And then there is the actual panel on the back. And the way that this one came in is it's already glued on. So I'm thinking this should be a pretty easy process. But yeah, let's start. Alright, so the first thing that I usually do whenever I'm working on something that I'm not too familiar with is I look at the panel that I ordered. According to the panel that I'm looking at here, it looks like this might either be clipped on or glued on. It does have a couple of little areas where it might look like it's just magnetic. The top here looks like it's just magnetic, and the bottom here looks like it has clips. So I'm going to assume that it just only has clips, but a lot of the time they'll add adhesive to these, so we have to keep an eye on that as well. And okay, let's see. So that's going to go in there like that. We have to remove the whole thing altogether. And this is a working system. So we're gonna get metal spudger, plastic very used spudger. Get that one. We're also gonna grab an even harder spudger here. Hopefully this comes off just fine without any issues. Let's go ahead and start. Here, I'm going to try to utilize this first. See if I can get in there. Uh-oh. Oof, that's rough. Luckily for me, I'm actually keeping this system for my wife, so it's not going to be an issue if I scratch. Oh, there it goes. It's not going to be an issue if I scratch it too much, but I am trying to be at least a little careful with it. Oh, okay. Oh, and it does look like it's clips. It does look like it's going to be clips. That's not that bad. I'm trying to stay all the way at the edge because I don't know if there's any cables over here. I noticed there's like the camera assembly that goes here, so I don't want to like break any cables. Oh wow, it's not glued on at all, by the way. Bring it all the way down to the bottom. Okay, that's good. Should I have possibly done the back first? That crunching noise is like the most horrible thing. Oh, right, let's see if we can get in here. No. All right, let me see if I can get it from the back. Right here, there's like a little crease. It's good. It's good. Okay. It looks like it may have opened up. Let's open it up together then. Oh, there it goes. Oh, right. I don't know where the cables are. I'm gonna try to be very, very careful with this. Oh, there they are. Let me see if I can turn it. Oh no, I turned it on. I turned it on. Turn off the computer. Turn off the computer. All right. So there's the cable assembly there. It's gonna be a bit different. It looks like. Ribbon cable there. Ribbon cable goes there, and then that's gonna be the panel cable, the actual LCD cable. Oh, so it looks different here compared to this, but I don't think that matters. I think this is just soldered on, and the other one is just kind of clipped on. All right, let's go ahead and remove this. Oh no, that came off. There's like 2 pieces of glue on this thing. There we go. Let's hope I don't tear these cables. Oh man. Alright. There we go. Alright, it's off. So that's the screen. And the other one is just going to be a little zip connector, which I think I have to get behind there. And lift up on this. Okay. Wait, that's not it. I'm confused now. I'm so confused. That wasn't the cable. This is the cable. So what is this? Oh no, do I need to transfer that? All right. This is the cable. So this is the cable that's on here. Right there. So I need to transfer the other board. Okay, that's fine. Let me grab this cable. So the cables are good. Cables are separate. It looks like I will be transferring this little board here to the new panel. What else am I transferring? Let's see. Let's kind of compare it here for a second. So we have that. These are those. Pretty sure, yeah. This is the same bar. It's just a way bigger bar for some reason. Goes into here. And that's this bar. Oh, okay, so this bar is this bar. This bar is this bar. There's nothing down here, right? And then I have to transfer this little bar. I don't know what this bar does, or this little PCB does. Not sure what that does, but definitely have to transfer it over. Oh, that's not going to stick on there. So in that case, let's do this. Let's completely remove this. I'm going to cut it off right here. Oh, the whole bar comes out. Cut it off right here. I'm going to reuse this for this little board. Might as well just use what we already have, right? Okay. So that's now going to be able to stick on there just like that. See, am I missing anything else? I don't think so. No, I think this is fine. Hopefully I'm able to resell this screen, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna put that off to the side. And we're gonna try to connect it to this one. And let's hope that there's no issues. So the first one is going to be, I'm gonna connect this one first. The little board. All right, so I gotta get this in there and then that in there. The problem is that I'm having is that it is very awkward. It's a very awkward placement because I have to like bend it this way. All right. There we go. That might be in. Right? I think that should be in. And we'll get this one in. Don't forget to open your zip connector, or else you're just gonna be there stabbing at it while it doesn't actually do anything. Okay, that should be in. Okay. It's like slightly lifting, but I think it'll be okay. And last but not least, our big panel connector. Okay. A little messy, but it's on. All right. So the first thing I want to do is going to clip the bottom down. So I think that's where the I think that's what clips on first, actually. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And make sure the back is on. Huh. I think we got it. Wait. Something's coming off. Could it possibly be the assembly glue? Yeah, I think it's fine. All right, so we actually got it on. The next step is going to be to turn it on. So let's test it out. Okay, so the panel does work, and so does the touch screen. Everything's working the way it's supposed to be. But off camera, I actually had to take it completely off again and reconnect the connectors because I wouldn't get an image. And secondly, my keyboard wasn't working anymore because that little board that we were looking at, that I was like, oh, I must transfer this board. If that board is not properly placed, it actually auto locks your keyboard. And I assume that this is a feature like if you were to turn the entire computer around. So let's try and do that now. If we turn it completely around like this, then now the keyboard doesn't work. As you can see, keyboard doesn't work, but our actual touchscreen does. So we turn it back around the way it's supposed to be, and our keyboard miraculously works. So that little board is very important. Please, if you're gonna do this, make sure you put it back properly, because for now you're gonna have to reopen it and do it again. But I'm happy to say that the screen does work and that the touch screen does work as well. I bought this from eBay, and the guy that sold me this has literally contacted me so many times to make sure that I don't do a refund or I don't do this thing through eBay, and it's almost like he expected it to be bad, or he's just really concerned to make sure that he's taking care of his customers. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and send him a message and tell him that it's fine, the screen worked, and it's all good. He doesn't have to worry anymore. So anyways, if you guys like this video, if you guys learned something in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button. Make sure you hit that share button, because somebody else might actually have this unit and maybe a little curious on how to take this apart. And it wasn't too hard. It was actually a lot easier than I expected. Like I said, this was my first time working on this particular unit, and I was very surprised to say that it was very easy to take the screen off, and it wasn't something that I wouldn't do again. Again, make sure you take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Take care, I said. I said take care.